to our Bright Side Physics channel. This is Prasad. I am going to explain about the H.C. Verma solutions, chapter number 2, Physics and Mathematics. Now the question number 16. If A vector, B vector, C vector are mutually perpendicular, show that C vector cross A cross B is equal to 0. And is the converse true? That is the question. To answer that question, first of all, I will take two vectors. That is the vector A and the vector B. Now, A cross B of this one, how it must be? The angle between these two must be 90 degrees. Why? Because A vector, B vector, C vector are all mutually perpendicular. So that's why the angle between A and B is 90 degrees. So by using the right hand rule, curl rotating like this, the thumb indicates the direction of A cross B. So that's why from here to there, A cross B. So now remember, A cross B is perpendicular to B vector and A cross B is perpendicular to A vector. Now, how the C vector must be? That C vector must be perpendicular to A and B. That is either in the direction of A cross B or in the direction opposite to the A cross B. So remember, that is very, very important one. So that means now here C vector is parallel to A cross B or C vector is anti-parallel to A cross B. Observe, C vector is in the direction of A cross B. So that means this is parallel. Opposite to that one, the angle between these two, that is these two is anti-parallel. Now here the angle between C vector and A vector cross B vector is 0 degrees or 180 degrees. So 0 degrees is nothing but C vector is parallel to A cross B and 180 degrees is nothing but C vector is anti-parallel to A cross B. Now here we are having very, very important point. What is that here? Show that. So we will take that one as LHS. Here show that LHS C vector cross A vector cross B vector. So now we are having very interesting fact we are having. What is that fact here? The cross product of two parallel vectors is 0. That means what happens here? This LHS C vector cross A vector cross B vector becomes 0. So that means what happens here? That is, it is showed. But is the converse is true? They were asking the question. So that means here converse is not true. Why the converse is not true? All the three vectors A vector, B vector, C vector are mutually perpendicular. So the angle between any two parallel vector must be 0. But here either it is possible with perpendicular, it is possible. But here what happens here? All are perpendicular vectors. A vector, B vector and C vector are perpendicular. C vector is parallel to the A cross B. So it is the solution for question number 16. Those who are watching my channel for the first time, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.